Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, business coach. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of Innovate. In the ever-changing landscape of business, innovation is the key to staying competitive, relevant, and successful. Today, we are going to explore what Innovate really means, why it is a crucial component of business growth, and how you can leverage its power and drive your own success. This video is designed to offer valuable insight to business leaders, entrepreneurs, professionals, or anyone eager to understand and apply the concept of innovation. We will cover its historical progression, its roles across the various industries, techniques for fostering innovation, and the future trends that will shape its application. If you are ready to transform your business approach and embrace the power of innovation, stay tuned for this enlightening journey. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more insightful contents. Let's dive in.
1. The evolution of Innovate, a historical overview. Our journey begins with a look at the evolution of innovation. From the invention of the wheel to the rise of artificial intelligence, innovation has been a key driver of human progress. This continuous cycle of problem solving and improvement is what we mean when we speak of innovate. 2. Pioneering industries, how they continually innovate to stay relevant. Let's now turn our attention to some pioneering industries. Industries like technology, healthcare, automotive, and retail have continually innovated to stay relevant. They offer valuable lessons on how to anticipate market trends, meet evolving customer needs, and stay ahead of the competition. 3. The power of small businesses to innovate. But innovation isn't just for big corporations. Small businesses and startups are often the most innovative, as they must carve out their place in the market. They show us that with creativity, agility, and a customer-centric approach, anyone can innovate. 4. The role of technology in helping businesses innovate. Today, technology is a key enabler of innovation. Technologies like AI, machine learning, big data analytics, cloud computing, IoT, blockchain, and cybersecurity are helping businesses to innovate in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. They offer exciting opportunities to improve products, processes, and customer experiences. 5. Innovate or perish, the significance of innovation in today's competitive world. In today's competitive world, innovation is more important than ever. Businesses that fail to innovate risk falling behind, while those that embrace innovation can gain a competitive edge, drive growth, and ensure long-term sustainability. 6. Case studies, companies that have successfully leveraged innovate. Need some inspiration? Let's take a look at some real-life success stories. Companies like Apple, Tesla, Google, Airbnb, Netflix, Beyond Meat, and Slack have leveraged innovate to disrupt industries and achieve remarkable success. 7. Unleashing creativity, techniques to help you innovate. So how can you foster innovation? Techniques like embracing a growth mindset, using design thinking, leveraging diversity, encouraging entrepreneurship, prototyping and iterating, cross-pollinating ideas, and practicing mindfulness can help unleash your creative potential and drive innovation. 8. The future of innovate, emerging trends and predictions. Finally, let's take a look at the future. Emerging trends like the rise of AI and machine learning, the focus on sustainability, the increasing importance of data, the impact of blockchain and cryptocurrencies, the rise of remote work, the intersection of biology and technology, and space innovation will shape the future of innovate. 9. That brings us to the end of our comprehensive guide on innovate. The future belongs to the innovators, and we hope that this guide has equipped you with the knowledge and inspiration you need to drive innovation in your own journey. Remember, innovation is not just about coming up with new ideas, it's about bringing those ideas to life in ways that create value. So, go out there and innovate. Like and share this video if you found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.